You've finally taken the plunge, selected a domain name, purchased hosting, and are ready to start your WordPress site. Congratulations! It's going to be awesome. Now that you've celebrated your new blog or business venture, you may be wondering what to do next. Don't worry, this video will walk you through how to create your first web page on WordPress step by step. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to assume that you've already installed WordPress and chosen a theme. If you haven't yet, click here for directions and then rejoin us. Okay. It's time to create your pages. For example, you may want an About page, a Testimonials page, a Services page, or a Contact page, depending on the goals of your website. You can create these pages through the Pages WordPress feature. Here's how to do it. First, turn your attention to the sidebar and locate Pages. Second, click Add New. Once you have selected Add New, you'll notice you can enter a title and customize the content. You can add a title to your page, such as About Me or Services. Then you can write your content, add images, and even select the layout for your page. Once you are ready to publish your page, find the Publish button on the right side of your screen. As soon as you click the blue button, your new page will go live. Remember, since you have selected a theme, WordPress will automatically import your page into the design you selected. This means you don't have to know any coding. After you have created all of your pages, you'll want to organize them. After all, you want your website visitors to be able to easily navigate your website. To organize your pages, you'll want to add them to one of your navigation menus. You can do this through the Appearance tab on the sidebar. Here's how. First, find Appearance on the sidebar and click Menus. Then find the pages you created under the Pages widget. You can add any of the pages to your menu by clicking the checkbox next to the title of your page and then clicking Add to Menu. Once you have selected the pages you want to add, you can arrange them in the way you want them to appear on your menu. Do this by dragging and dropping each menu item where you would like them to appear. In the example above, each main menu page is flushed left and each subpage under the main page is indented. You can organize your page however you'd like. To give you a better idea of the final product, here's how a WordPress menu looks all dressed up in its theme. And there you have it. That's how you create a page on WordPress and organize them into a menu. And remember, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips on running your own website.